So today I decided I'm gonna start working on the abandoned project. This is a 1990 Checkmate Starflight that I completely butchered and made it to my liking.
One of your subscribers gave me a $500 break
On what?
on the GPS unit.
Really?
On 2500, and
he recognized you?
Yeah.
Oh.
What do you think?
It looks good. I love this. The sea deck on here?
I didn't make it with any design on purpose.
I'll give you a little sneak peek.
Doing that eagle. They printed this shit.
It's not layers? No, it's not. Nice. So this is gonna be the first time all summer I'm going pleasure boating. And it's not even summer anymore, it's already spring. Launching out of Miami. Little Miami afternoon ride. Boat ramp is full. I love a 4-stroke. Yo, you have straps in the back? Come on, Kevin. Qualified captain left his straps on. The new Miss Boat vibes. The main difference between this year's Starflight and the other ones is the integrated setback right here, and it has an extra step. I decided to cut out the splash well, cut up the dash, and all the hard parts are already done. I just gotta finish up a lot, but I started this project about 2 years ago, and I decided back then to use the Vinycell foam for the complete project. So everything you see there is the Vinycell foam, and I also decided to laminate the top cap and bottom cap together, as you can see. And I cut up the dash like the progression style dash, but now I want to just level all this off and make it all just smooth, get away from this hump. And I'm gonna use some of this old Vinycell foam to just make the shape, so then I can just glass over this Great thing about this is it doesn't absorb any liquids. It's gotta look ugly before it looks pretty. Trust the process. I'm just doing this for fun. I'm not a professional fiberglass guy, but I've done it enough times to know how to get in trouble.
Senor! Is this the video they get for the POVs?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. As they see it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm posting that.
Do the first part.
Don't do that part.
Hey, did you see this SpaceX thing?
Did it blow up?
No.
Oh, they figured it out.
Look at that shit.
It landed?
Yeah, back into the harness. That's
Yep.
fucking sick.
Yep, their stock went up again.
That's fucking science.
All clear. All clear. No, it's off already. Cruising on autopilot. 3 minutes eating up the chop like nothing. Hands free. Wahoo!
Nice one.
Woo!
Hey!
Hey!
Nice one.
Good job.
That's a good one there.